Hi, my name is Brian Whitmer. I'm one of the co-founders of Instructure. I'm going to show you how you can use the Canvas learning management system to build a course online. First thing you want to do is go visit the Canvas website. If you go to canvas.instructure.com, you'll see here the login page. You can register for free. Any individual teacher is welcome to use Canvas free of charge. Just fill out this information, submit the form, and you'll receive an email from Instructure with a confirmation link that you can use to continue the registration process. Once you get that email and click the link, you'll see a page like this where you need to select your time zone and you can fill out a password. And after doing that, you can click register and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard page. This page gives you a consolidated view of everything that's going on in all of your courses all in one place. So on the left, you'll see your activity stream, which is where any comments and discussion boards, grading updates, or feedback will show up. And on the right, you can see events and actionable items for your course. So this is where you'll see assignments that are coming up due soon, things the teacher still needs to grade, or things the student still needs to turn in. Along the top is your basic navigation. Home will take you back to the dashboard page. Assignments takes you to a list of all your assignments for all your courses, so you can see at a glance what needs to be turned in next, what's been graded recently. Grades will show you grade summaries for all of your courses. And the calendar view shows a single calendar with all the events from all your courses in one place. Along the top here you have your inbox where any private messages will be sent, and your profile where you can specify things like how you want to be notified of events inside your courses and what web services you'd like to register with Canvas. There's no courses here, so there's not a lot to see. So let's go ahead and click Start New Course to build our first course. The first step is going to be to give our course a name and also a reference code. Reference codes are usually specified by the university and are a quick way for students and teachers to differentiate between multiple courses that may have similar names. Let's click Next to start building the assignments for this course. In Canvas, assignments are organized into groups. You can have as many groups as you want for things like papers, exams, or whatever else. Assignment groups can be organized. You can reorder them just with drag and drop. You can easily add assignments into a group either with the plus icon for that group or over here on the right. When you add an assignment, you can quickly just type in its due date or also use the date picker tool. You can specify points possible and go ahead and click Save. Now there's a lot of other settings that you might want to specify for your assignment. This is just a general view where we can organize all the assignments at a high level. Once you've done with that, you can easily click Edit and click More Options to go in and edit the specifics of any given assignment. So I'll go ahead and build up a number of assignments for this course. And there we go. By default, final grades for a course are calculated based solely on points. But if you want to weight the final grade based on assignment groups, we can do that as well. Just click this checkbox, and you'll see now each assignment group has a weight next to it. You can change these weights right here and say, for example, let's make the papers worth 50% of the final grade, exams worth 35%, and assignments worth that last 15%. Now everything we've done here in this wizard is also available inside of the course after we've finished the wizard. You just click the Assignments tab and you'll have access to the same information. So let's click Next and start adding some students. Now feel free to add students to the course even before you're ready to make it official. Students won't be able to access the course until you publish it. Once you publish it, then we'll send out an email notification to each student and they'll have a confirmation link that they can click to then participate in the course. But feel free to build your roster even before you're ready to publish the course, since students won't have access until it's published. So to add students, simply copy and paste their email addresses here into this text box. The university should provide you with that information in one form or another. We just need a list of email addresses, whether it's with the name or just the address. Click Continue and we'll parse them all to make sure we understood that they were valid email addresses. Then click OK, and we'll add those students to your course. Again, feel free to build your roster even before you're ready to publish the course, and we'll take care of inviting the students, but not until the course is actually published. So let's click Next. The final step is just to review what we've already said, so we can look and see what assignments that we've built already. We can double check the students are what we wanted, and then click Save, and we'll be taken to the course homepage. Now until you publish your course, you'll see this wizard down here, which is meant to help you with any additional things that you want to set up while you build your course. After you've published it, using this Publish Course button, The wizard won't be here anymore, but you can always get access to that same wizard using this course setup checklist link here at the top right. So that's it. Now we've built our first course inside of Canvas. There's still plenty more for you to check out. You can use the wizard for help or start exploring these navigation items to the left for ways that you can enhance your online course. Thank you and good luck.